Zippers are everywhere, quietly securing everything from jackets to luggage, but their creation was far from simple. The earliest concept for an automatic clothing closure was patented in 1851 by Elias Howe, known for the sewing machine. However, Howe never commercialized his ingenious automatic, continuous clothing closure, and it remained largely unknown. It took Whitcomb L. Judson to introduce the first practical clasp blocker in 1893, primarily intended for fastening shoes. Judson's device was temperamental, often jammed and prone to breaking open, making it far from reliable. The modern zipper's true genius arrived with Swedish-American engineer Gideon Sundback, who perfected it in 1913. Sundback's innovation involved increasing the number of fastening elements per inch and developing the critical Y-shaped slider. This reliable hookless fastener slowly gained traction in the 1920s, first appearing on boots and tobacco pouches. The catchy term zipper was coined by B.F. Goodrich in 1923, describing the distinctive sound it made when opening and closing. Today, billions of zippers are produced globally each year, a silent testament to Sundback's overlooked invention.